During the time I was preparing for GATE, I would not study for more than 6 to 7 hours a day, including the coaching classes. I still ended up getting a 66 rank. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to Hiatuz channel. I am Shanti and today we're going to be talking about one particular secret that most toppers have in common. But they would not tell you. Not because they don't want to tell you, but because they don't realize it themselves. Now let me start explaining with a question that I often get asked. Ma'am, when is the right time to start preparing for GATE? I am currently in third year. Should I start now? I am in second year. I am in first year. And I used to feel bad that why the students feel the need to start preparing for a certain exam right from the first year or second year itself when they are not yet sure about the entire possibilities that engineering holds for them. After 4 years, you might decide that GATE is not the right choice for you, but campus placement is a better choice, or maybe CAT is a better choice, UPSC may be a better choice. So how do you decide so early on, and how can you waste so much time for a particular exam? Because after all, exams, competitive examinations do take time. They do demand time from you. 1 year is seldom enough for any competitive examination. So how do you tackle this? See, every competitive examination has certain common characteristics. If you have to succeed in a competitive examination, you need to have certain characteristics. Some of the characteristics are you need to be patient, disciplined, you need to have endurance, that is, work so hard for such a long period of time. And of course, you need to be fast because you need to solve the questions in a specific time frame. And of course, finally, you need to have hold on the subject as well. So what you can do is, instead of focusing on the particular exam, if you focus on the particular characteristic, for example, endurance, you need to work hard for a longer period of time. This is a characteristic that is required in a competitive examination. So what you can do, while you are in the first or second year, you can actively participate in sports. Sports will improve your endurance drastically so that this characteristic is taken care of. Let's take aptitude for example. When you do various activities or you meet many people and maybe even travel, you tend to have better aptitude. So this is one way in which you can improve your aptitude, which will once again help you in your competitive examinations. So this is the way in which you develop yourself, your personality, so that the characteristics that you are developing as a part of your personality development, you can again implement while you're preparing for competitive examination. Let me end with a personal example. When I was in school, many people around me, my classmates, would go for IIT foundation classes right from class 8, right from class 6. And I would have this FOMO that I am not doing it and I would probably never be able to crack IIT JEE. But when I was in my 12th class and I finally gave my IIT JEE and AIEEE examinations, at that point of time, I realized that a lot of my peers who were in Olympiad schools, who were in IIT JEE foundation and coaching classes right from class 6 or class 8, they were not able to qualify, but I was able to qualify with an 8,000 rank. And I prepared only for 2 years, 11th and 12th for IIT. So this is a story that stays with me for the rest of my life, that it's not necessary to start preparing, to start focusing or spending your entire lives for a particular examination. Rather, develop in a personal way, develop all these beautiful characteristics, and then you implement the same characteristics onto that competitive examination, and you are definitely going to see that you will succeed. Hope you found this video insightful, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And of course, comment.